Hey, how you doing, guys? This is Comey here from Phoenix Trading Academy. The date is Sunday, the 5th of February, and this is our Forex market review of the week. Firstly, let's take a look at the setups we gave you last week, just to see how well they did. The first one I'm looking at here is New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. We were looking for the shorts of this level here, and we've currently hit target one, and so we've made profits. There's no way we're going to lose money on this trade. We've secured some profits and we're good to go, and we're just going to patiently wait for the market to get down to target two and accumulate all the profits. If not, and it reverses to our stop, that's fair enough. We still made money on this trade regardless. So New Zealand dollar, we're still bearish, waiting for it to get to target two. The other trade setup we gave you last week was pound New Zealand dollar, and what we have here is it's just spiked target one, and so we would have taken some profits off the table. Now this would depend on your broker feed. Some brokers may have a wider spread, etc., etc. So you might not have hit this exact target one, and you might need to wait till tomorrow for the market to move to be able to close part of the position. But we've hit target one here, and we're going to wait for the market to get down to target two, which is ambitious because it's going to break structure, but we will be looking at the market to move down further to hit target two. So once again on this trade, there's no money lost, and we've secured profits, and we're good to go. The third trade setup we handed out was New Zealand dollar, and this hasn't quite triggered yet. So we are pretty much in a zone that it will trigger, or that we would expect to trigger. So the next short entry we'll be looking at taking. Now, if we're to give an indication of where this will be, it'll need to break structure around these levels before we'll be looking at taking that trade. So let me just draw that level here. Yeah, it'll need to break structure around here before we'll be looking at taking it. And this is on the daily chart. Naturally, we'll scroll down to an hour chart or a 4-hour chart to actually execute the trade. So once it breaks structure on the lower time frames, we will look to take it. But it has broken this trend line. So some people could have started shorting or from where it touched the breakout, and we had this bearish reversal. So if that's the case, you're in the trade, but you shouldn't have been stocked out just yet, and just be patient for that. This week, there's only one setup I can really see I'm keeping an eye on, and that is going to be the Aussie dollar. This is the one chart that looks interesting to me, and I mean we've got a strong level, and the market is currently approaching that level here, and we'll be expecting a reversal in and around this zone. So provided we get those conditions, our entry conditions. Now, bearing in mind your entry conditions must be objective. You need to be able to repeat the entry conditions over and over again, because that's what gives us that edge. So example would be, I don't know, if you want to move an average crossover, if you want to use price action, if you want to use reversal bars, evening stars, morning stars, etc. So provided you've got an entry condition which is objective and specifically you can repeat that, we would take that trade to the downside. So this is what we're looking for this week. I'll wait for the price to just about touch that zone, and if I get an entry on the lower time frame, we will short this market and hopefully hit targets. So that would be it for this week. Just the one new trade setup. We should still have 3 trades currently open, depending on your risk appetite. On 2 of them, we should have 0 risk on, so it's probably safe to open a third or fourth trade rather, because we've only got 1% floating risk if you were in the New Zealand dollar trade. So this would take it up to about a 2% risk, which is fine to have as a floating risk threshold. So off the back of that, guys, we'll leave it here, and we will review this particular trade setup next week. And I'll leave you to have a look at the others if you're currently in them. So that's New Zealand Japanese yen is currently at TP1. That's pound New Zealand dollar, pretty much at TP1, and that's the New Zealand dollar. You could already be in this trade if you took it off this reversal bar here, and so we're currently in a sideways price action, and we'll wait for that to come down to hit target one. So we'll leave it here, and we will catch up next week. All right, thanks for listening, guys. Happy trading, and catch up soon.